In this video, we'll look at how to evaluate algebraic expressions for given variables. In our first example, we have x squared minus 8x, and we're told that x is negative 5. We want to replace all of the x's with negative 5. So we'll make a substitution. Everywhere you see an x, replace the x with negative 5. And now we use order of operations to simplify this. There's nothing to do inside the parentheses, so next we look for exponents. And we have negative 5 squared, that is 25. Up next, we take care of the multiplication. Negative 8 times negative 5 is 40. And finally, 25 plus 40 gives us 65. In the next example, notice we have x's and y's, so we need to replace all of the x's with 3 and all of the y's with 8. So we make a substitution. X is 3. X again is 3. Y is 8. And now we want to go through and use the order of operations to simplify these. Notice this time we do have something to do inside the parentheses. We have 3 minus 8. So we have now 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 8 is negative 5. The next step in the order of operations is to take care of any exponents. We have 3 squared, which is 9. Next, we need to multiply. Negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. 9 plus 20. Finally, we add and get 29. And finally, in our last example, again, we have x's and y's. We'll replace all of the x's with negative 3, all of the y's with negative 1. Negative, replace x with negative 3. Again, replace x with negative 3, replace y with negative 1, plus 4 times negative 1 squared. Order of operations. Simplify anything inside parentheses first. In this case, there's no work to be done inside the parentheses, so next we move to exponents. We have an exponent here, negative 3 squared is 9, but we have another negative out front, so we'll bring down that negative. Copy what we have here, plus here we have 4 times negative 1 squared. Negative 1 squared, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So we have 4 times positive 1. Now we can take care of any kind of multiplication and division. In this case, multiplication is the only thing we have. So I'm going to bring down the negative 9. We have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 1. That is a negative 9. And then here we have 4 times 1, that is 4. And now we can add and subtract left to right. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18, plus 4 is negative 14.